One more experiment we are going to see, that is force acting on the current carrying conductor in a magnetic field. For that we are taking a material that is flexible copper wire, stand, electric cell, horseshoe, magnet with a strong magnetic field. Procedure: using a strand, fix the copper wire so that it passes through the poles of the horseshoe magnet. आपल्याला स्टँडला वायर अशी फिक्स करायची आहे की ती कशामधनं पास होते, हॉर्शू मॅग्नेट. सो वी विल सी द फिगर दॅट इज 4.10. नाव लेट अस सी द फिगर दॅट इज 4.10. सी, we have connected the wire in such a way to the stand that it is passing through a horseshoe magnet. It is passing through a horseshoe magnet. Now what happens, that let us see. Whenever a current is not flowing through the wire, it remains in the straight line. The wire will remain in the straight line. That is position A. When the current is flowing from top to bottom, what will happen? The wire will bend and come into the position C. The wire will bend and come to the position C. See, this is the position C. If the current direction is reversed, what will happen? It flows from bottom to top. Now the current is flowing from bottom to top. The wire bends but comes to the position B. Now again the wire will bend and come to the position B. Wire is bending and coming to the position B. Okay. So this means that the direction of force of the wire is perpendicular to both the magnetic field and the direction of a current. Here the direction of magnetic field is from north to south. So the experiment is noted that whenever the current flow through a conductor in the presence of magnetic field, the force is exerted on the conductor. If the direction of current is reversed, the direction of force also get reversed. See, listen, when the direction of current is reversed, the direction of force also get reversed. If the magnet is kept reverse, its south pole is brought at the position of north pole, its south pole is brought at the position of north pole, and its north pole is brought to the position of south pole, and its north pole is brought to the position of south pole. So the experiment clearly shows that the force is exerted on the current carrying the conductor. The direction of this force depend on both the direction of the current and the direction of magnetic field. Let us see this experiment again very clearly. See, this is the copper wire which is fixed between the horseshoe magnet. So this was the straight wire, that was A. When the current was flowing from top to bottom, it was bending towards C. When the current was flowing from bottom to top, it was bending towards B. So this is the systematic diagram. So I think you must have understood this experiment very clearly.